Hi everyone, this is Abigail with the education team. Now I have a really fun activity for you guys to do at home, and this will end up making the perfect gift for Mother's Day, and that is decorating a glass jar with pressed flowers. So all you need is a glass container. I'm using an old peanut butter one. You need some paintbrushes, some Mod Podge, and then last but not least, your pressed flowers.
The first step in decorating your jar is to collect flowers from your area. I then peeled the petals off and placed them on a piece of paper, folded that paper and placed it in a book. Let them sit for about 2 days before taking them out. When you're ready to do your activity, grab your jar, Mod Podge, and paintbrushes. You want to paint a layer of Mod Podge onto your jar. If you'd rather, you can also put the Mod Podge in the places you're going to put your leaves or flowers. Once you have put the layer of glue on, you can place the pressed leaves in any pattern you want onto your jar and let it dry. Last but not least, paint the Mod Podge over the areas you placed your leaves or petals. This allows to keep the items in place. Once you have finished, let it dry, and the Mod Podge will end up drying clear. Now that the Mod Podge has dried, you have your final product, and you can use this container in any way you choose.
Thank you guys so much for joining me in decorating your very own glass jar. If you give it to your mom as a gift, I hope she thoroughly appreciates it. And we look forward to seeing you very soon at the Naples Botanical Garden.